Ideally, it'd be a workshop, but there's just no room for almost anything. So this is most of the greenhouse stuff that was in the basement. Oops. I'm just gonna bring this one into the other. They must both be pregnant. I was super excited to get the greenhouse up, and then the day after this happened. As excited as I was to get this done, it hasn't stayed up at all. Big windstorm, it was super cold and windy, and I should have known better because of by the water, a lot of the wind and stuff comes up there. But yeah, I need to redo all of this, and hopefully my plastic isn't, hopefully it's not destroyed, but we'll find out. And I gotta erect this back up and then put it into place so that we can start some seeds, because it's a beautiful day today. Beautiful. So we'll get it up. So basically what I've decided to do is I'm going to secure it with tuck tape. I'm going to secure it lengthwise here so that hopefully it's got enough structural integrity. I'll probably, oh, I just dropped the tape. I'll probably do that with the tarp over top as well, just so that way it's holding it on a little better, because it blew off last time too. So hopefully I can get this structure firmed up and then strong enough that it won't blow down, at least not in the next little while. So in order to really secure the sides, basically what I'm doing is I got this 1x3 or this deck board, just old scrap, and I'm gonna firm it up against here and then drill it in. So at least that way we've got more contact points so that it'll hopefully hold it. I guess I should tuck that plastic in underneath, and that should hold a little better as well, but I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm kind of making this up as I go along, hoping for the best. Now I'll grab the other one, do the same on the other side, and I think up higher it needs to be secured. I'll probably do that with tuck tape as well, but I don't know, we'll see. As long as it doesn't blow off in the wind like it did last time, it should be okay. Would help if I had screws. One of my biggest annoyances holding me back right now is this brick that I'm standing on of ice. It just won't melt. I'm hoping that, like, it's pretty warm in here right now. I'm hoping that with it warming up in here and warming up the next few days that I'll be able to melt that, but it's just in the way, right? There's a lot of snow back there still that I need to get rid of, so hopefully it'll melt off. We'll see with the sun. There's still a breeze that kind of makes this not perfect, not great. But the tarp's not long enough, so using the second frame, this tarp is bigger than what I had originally measured for the hoop frame, and the hoop frame is the right size, so it'll fit down to the sides and everything. It can tuck in, but then using the second frame here, kind of screwed me over, and I'll have to dig down and then set it in maybe. I don't know. Not really sure. I used plenty of tuck tape, as you can see, to secure all of this a little bit. Is it the right way to do it? No. Will it stay? Also, probably no. But it works for now. I'll probably throw a little bit more on, but I think a lot of what I've learned from this is don't use two frames. Use one structure. With this being two slightly different structures, it makes it difficult to wrap it nice and tight. So I got to secure the back a little more, but it's already pretty nice in here. So I'm going to put the front on, secure the back, and hopefully it'll keep it like it's out of the wind. It's nice and warm in here right now. We'll put the front on. So last year a buddy of mine gave me this tin, and it's just attached to a door that I'm going to, I think I'm going to use the door for my seating table, basically. So now we have a very rudimentary but functional seating table here. I got everything set up so that I can put my seeds in to my little pots, get some pots prepped, and then what I should get is a station to put somewhere else, because this table is going to fill up quickly with all the seeds that we got. So we'll see. So as far as seeds and stuff go, we ordered a ton of seeds from Rainbow Seeds. Just a bunch of different things. Cauliflower, a ton, like that is full of just various seeds and things. So we're getting ready to start seeding. Hopefully this will stay together. I've also decided that I'm going to end the free reign of chickens. As fun as it was to have them free range everywhere, they made a mess of the front step, and they're disgusting. So I'm gonna cage them in, and that way if the bunnies get out too, then they're all sort of in one spot. This will eventually be an A-frame that I'll have some of these scrap roofing pieces on, but for now I'm just gonna make sure they're all fenced in and contain them a little bit.
Stuck in the moment, it's true. Yeah, yeah. Stuck in the moment, it's true. Yeah, yeah. I don't know what this future's holding. That's why I live each moment like it's golden. My destiny, I hold it. I'm stuck in the moment. I'm stuck in the moment, it's true. Yeah, yeah.
So I'm stuck in the moment, I'm sitting back and I'm still hoping. Lord got my eyes really open where I'm still getting to the bat with chit chat. Got my hat back and I backtrack. My wilderness taught me great things. You gotta be original. Drunk night, subliminal movements, be pivotal. Never really cry for pain, man. So I start like baby and I work like Wayne. Now let's pursue the children of the game. Yep, I'm just a kid living on a dream. What's the hate on that? I know I shouldn't interact with the 151 Bacardi rum and the Kush still craving some. It's like I'm criminal minded like KRS-One where we first started. I'm the only artist to do this shit regardless too.
The sun is starting to go down, so I'm starting to get tired, and I fixed up most of this, did some roofing on that, so they'll be out of the rain a little bit, and put up some fence back there. It's not finished and it's not perfect, but I think what I'll do for the rest of the night now is clean up some trash, just because there's a lot of just garbage in the yard that, as things melt, has been discovered. So I'm going to try to gather it all up, put it at the end of the street for garbage day tomorrow. Anyway. Ha. good.
Females who look for sex round town. Man, I'm living faster than I would in my 20s. Damn, I gotta slow down. Nah, don't throw down business plans just to win this crowd. Yep, I'm still rocking a snapback, fresh kicks, hot top sweatshirts. But they don't understand me like my pops when he had his face straight in the dirt. Gotta love this new generation little kids, cause I push the gap, I do my thing. I always stay humble, but I never really try to react to fucking hate like that. But life is funny like that. Got love from every day.